Dr. Sudha Kankriya, pioneer of Welcome Girl Child Movement and Save the Girl Child Mission. She is from Ahmednagar district in India. In India, female feticide issue has become fierce nowadays. But Dr. Sudha Kankriya is doing a great job to stop such horrible thing. You must not worry whether the desired result follows from your actions or not, so long as our motive is pure, your means correct. Following these great words by Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Sudha started this activity and done miracles. Many programs are developed to promote the Welcome Girl Child movement, just as Gram Sabha resolutions, fixed deposit scheme for newborn baby girl, 1 rupee magic scheme, facilitation of the parents of the newborn baby girl, mass pregnancy celebration, Common Oath program, and many others. Through this Common Oath campaign, more than 1.5 million people have taken mass oath to save the girl child till date. Many workshops promoting 11 project action plan are being conducted for mayors of villages, students, NGOs, judges, bureaucrats, political leaders, and for many others. Dr. Sudha also arranged many workshops for the University of Pune, which is called Oxford of the East, and many other universities in India. Up to now, 3 million of people have directly participated in this activity through these workshops. She also wrote books for the public education on this subject. The President of India, Shrimati Pratibha Patil, praised the movement on 21st August 2007. That was the most precious and boost-up movement for this activity. It is said that very few have the power to change the history of the society. Dr. Sudha is one of them, we said. In India, 7 steps are carried out in marriage ceremony. These steps means the promise or commitment for happy and healthy married life. But Dr. Sudha introduces one more step, that's the 8th oath, to welcome girl child in the family. This is the most revolutionary act by her. This concept is highly appreciated and welcomed by the society. Once Dr. Sudha found that at one district, the Nakoshi means unwanted names are given to the girls. Dr. Sudha was deeply touched to hear this, and one more activity is added in the movement. Dr. Sudha started promoting the renaming of these unwanted girls, and this act was highly appreciated not only in India but in Germany, USA, London and China. Dr. Sudha creating the mass public awareness through many public meetings, rallies, posters in social institutions and many other places. If you don't know where you are going, you will probably end up somewhere else. We always speak about, is science a curse or a boon? Many doctors, radiologists and others took advantage of the discriminatory social practice of son preference and daughter aversion. But Dr. Sudha took strong steps with Indian Medical Association and other medical institutions to stop sex determination and selective abortion. Dr. Sudha got many awards for her work, and she was doing all this from last 25 years as her social responsibility. Now, the growing number of girls is the best reward for her activity. It's our turn now to support such a great work. In the end, we say that the Lord will provide you, but you must give Him some help. Thank you.